Okay, I made a custom order, or yeah, so somebody called me up, I designed their part, and I printed it out. They haven't picked it up yet, so I haven't gotten paid for it, so I can't go onto the books, which is a bummer because last month was pretty expensive buying more filament and buying a new machine, the Kingroom KP5L. Unfortunately, I've had quite a few problems with that printer. I've tried connecting Octoprint to it, and it just keeps having issues, which really sucks. And actually right now I'm continually testing Octoprint on it, and it's having issues. I've tried out different cables. I need to try out a different Octoprint device, whether a Raspberry Pi or a phone. Right now I have it on an old phone, so it might be the phone's fault, but it's having some sort of connections issues. Again, I was thinking it was the cable, but I've switched out the cable a couple of times. I don't know if it's a known good cable because I don't have any cables or anything else that takes a big USB, like a square USB type B, I think. It's not a micro B, but it's a type B. I don't have anything else that takes that, so I don't know how to really test if the cable's good. Other than that, so I got the cell, which was really awesome. I designed it in a little over an hour, so I charge 50 bucks an hour for design time. I might need to up that, but I'm not, I don't know design really well. I haven't gone to school for it, so for now this is what it is. Then I got further along with my cookie cutters. So those cookie cutters are just gonna be custom. My wife draws up little designs around it, and then we put like a last name or some other phrase or something like that in there. We're gonna throw those up on Etsy sometime soon. Hopefully, I think my wife's gonna draw up a couple of like 10 or so designs or something like that we can then basically whoever is ordering it can choose between them. We have to have a character limit because we can only do so much, and then we're gonna have a size limit for now until I can get a bigger machine. Just because it's gonna take a long time to print out anything bigger than like 2.5 inches for the cookie. So that's what I got going on. The guy who did order the part that he should be coming and picking it up tomorrow, he said he works for a construction company and they want to order a lot more parts. All right, he's got a lot more ideas for stuff that he wants 3D printed. He was also thinking about getting his own 3D printer, so I'll probably be helping him out with that. If he wants to get his own, and I'll give my advice freely as far as I understand. It's just information you can find on the internet. Other than that, pretty much all I've got going on. Hopefully this guy still wants my designs, and then maybe he can just 3D print them himself or pay me to do it. I don't know. He did want, I think, 3 different sizes, 10 pieces each. So I'll probably do that order for him at the very least, make some money there. I'm charging him, I think, $87 for the design and the first print. And then after that, subsequent prints is, I don't know, maybe like 15 bucks a pop or something. Maybe give him a heavier discount since he'll be ordering so much. But like I said, I might end up helping him get his own 3D printer. We'll see how far that goes. It sounded like a really cool guy. We'll have to see though. I don't really know. He just called me up from my listing on Google. So I just have a business listing on Google, and that's all it is. I don't want to show what I designed for him because I haven't asked if it's okay with him. In the future, I plan to do that. Maybe when he comes and picks up tomorrow, I'll talk to him and ask if it's okay if I show YouTube or hit the design for him. I imagine he'd be all right with it. It wasn't anything super complicated. Wasn't anything groundbreaking. It was just kind of like, I don't want to say too much without his permission, but I do want to be as transparent as possible. So I can go over my numbers. Basically, like I said, a little over an hour. So I charge 50 bucks an hour. And then I have a calculator. I'll list the YouTuber I got the calculator from. I can't remember his name off the top of my head, but he's a really great YouTuber, 3D printing channel thing. I just got a calculator for him and kind of modified it to my own liking. Not even heavily modified. It's just basically stock. So, and it's just a Google sheet. So I'll put that in the description. I'll put the I think that's it. Yeah, just those 2 things. I felt like I had a lot going on. I was really excited to make this video, and turns out it was a couple things. Anyway, that's all I've got for now. Please comment. Let me know what you think I should try in the future. I'm still doing the treat stock, though I haven't received any orders. I think I need to. I only have white listed. I want to list black as well because I got more filament. So yeah, comment down below with what you think I should do next to try and earn some money. I have a bunch of more ideas that I'm going to be trying throughout the coming weeks. but I am going to be leaving to visit some family in Utah soon, and I'm based out in Missouri, so I'll be gone for a couple of weeks. Hopefully I can still do some orders though, because I can borrow a few 3D printers out there. So yeah, comment down below with what you think I should do. Remember to subscribe to see what happens here, and remember to shoot. What was it? Remember who you are and make good choices. Thank you.